Hello guys. Welcome to this new video. Today, I'll show you how to delete your Gmail account. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Google account or manage your Google account. Go to the Data Privacy tab. Scroll down to the Download or Delete Your Data section. Tap on Delete a Google service. Sign in to verify your identity if prompted. Find Gmail in the list and tap the trash icon next to it. Follow the on-screen instructions, including adding an alternate email for account recovery. Confirm the deletion to permanently delete your Gmail account. That's it. Your Gmail account has been deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next video.